Welcome to my next video. Today we will learn about the process of harvesting potatoes and how to apply modern machinery to make potato snacks. Potato harvesting is a process that requires attention and skill to ensure that the potatoes are harvested intact and of high quality. This process includes many steps from soil preparation, harvesting, to post-harvest storage. Here are the detailed steps on how to harvest potatoes. Check for maturity. Potatoes are usually harvested when the leaves and stems have begun to wilt and die, indicating that the potatoes have reached maturity. Stop watering. About 2 to 3 weeks before harvesting, stop watering to help the potato skin harden, reducing the risk of damage during harvesting. Hand tools, hoes, shovels, or 3-pronged rakes can be used for small potato gardens. Modern machinery. Potato harvesters are used on large farms. These machines can perform the digging and harvesting of potatoes quickly and efficiently. Potato harvesters are adapted to dig up soil and separate potatoes from the plant. The machine will then transfer the potatoes to a conveyor belt where they are sorted and pre-cleaned before being transferred to a storage bin. Cleaning. Potatoes need to be cleaned of soil and debris. This can be done by lightly scrubbing or using a cleaning machine. Grading. Potatoes are sorted based on size and quality. Damaged or diseased potatoes will be discarded. Drying. To ensure that potatoes do not rot, they need to be dried for several hours to a day before storage. Storage. Potatoes need to be stored in a cool, dry, dark place. The ideal temperature for storing potatoes is around 4 to 10 degrees Celsius. Regular inspection. During storage, regular inspection is required to remove damaged tubers and prevent the spread of diseases. Avoid strong impacts. Potatoes are very vulnerable to strong impacts, which can lead to rot during storage. Harvesting in dry weather. Harvesting on dry days helps reduce moisture on the potatoes, reducing the risk of rot. Careful handling. During harvesting and handling, potatoes must be handled gently to ensure no mechanical damage is caused. Thanks to modern harvesting techniques and the diligence of farmers, potatoes can be harvested efficiently and ensure high quality, meeting the consumption needs of the market. After harvesting potatoes, we will come to a very important process to turn potatoes from farmers into potato snacks. Potato snack processing is a complex process that requires precision and high-quality control at large factories. Below are the detailed steps of the potato snack processing process. 1. Receiving raw materials and quality control. Receiving potatoes. Potatoes are harvested from farms and transported to the processing plant. Quality control. Before being put into the production line, potatoes will be quality checked to ensure that there are no pests, rot or mechanical damage. 2. Cleaning and peeling. Cleaning. Potatoes are put into a washing machine to remove soil, dirt and other impurities. This process usually includes many steps of washing with clean water and strong spraying. Peeling. After cleaning, potatoes are put into a peeling machine. The machine uses a blade or a grinding mesh to peel the skin efficiently and quickly. 3. Slicing or shaping. Slicing. Potatoes are cut into thin slices by a slicer. The thickness of the potato slices will be adjusted depending on the type of snack to be produced. Shaping. In the case of producing special snacks such as potato chips or potato sticks, the potatoes will be shaped according to the selected pattern. 4. Washing and drying. Washing. Potato slices are washed again to remove excess starch, which helps the potato slices not stick together when fried. Drying. Potatoes are dried by air or by centrifuge to remove excess water before frying. 5. Potato frying. Frying. Potatoes are fried in hot oil at a temperature of about 175 to 185 degrees Celsius. The frying time depends on the thickness of the potato slices and the type of snack to be produced. Removing excess oil. After frying, the potatoes are passed through a centrifuge or conveyor belt to remove excess oil, making the potato chips crispy and less greasy. 6. Seasoning. Seasoning. The fried potatoes will be seasoned. This process often uses spices such as salt, cheese, onions, garlic, or other flavors depending on the recipe of each type of snack. Evenly seasoning. The spices are evenly coated on the potato slices through a mixer or conveyor belt with a seasoning sprayer. 7. Cooling and packaging. Cooling. The seasoned potato chips are cooled after being seasoned to ensure they remain crispy and not moist. Packaging. The cooled potato snacks are fed into a packaging machine. This process includes measuring, packing into bags or boxes, and sealing to preserve quality and freshness. 8. Final quality check. Quality check. Before releasing the product to the market, the factory will conduct a final quality check to ensure that the potato chips meet the standards of taste, crispness, and food safety. 9. Transportation and distribution. Transportation. Potato chips are packaged and transported to warehouses or retail stores. Distribution. Products are distributed to retail outlets across the market, to consumers. Conclusion. The process of processing potato chips at large factories is a meticulous process and requires strict control to ensure high-quality products. From selecting raw materials, cleaning, slicing, frying, seasoning, to packaging and quality checking, all steps are carried out carefully and professionally. This not only ensures that the potato chips are delicious and crispy but also safe for consumers. Thank you all for watching the video. If you find it interesting, please like, share and subscribe to the channel to support me to make more videos. Thanks. Drying. To ensure that potatoes do not rot, they need to be dried for several hours to a day before storage. Storage. Potatoes need to be stored in a cool, dry, dark place. The ideal temperature for storing potatoes is around 4 to 10 degrees Celsius. Regular inspection. During storage, regular inspection is required to remove damaged tubers and prevent the spread of diseases. Avoid strong impacts. Potatoes are very vulnerable to strong impacts, which can lead to rot during storage. Harvesting in dry weather. Harvesting on dry days helps reduce moisture on the potatoes, reducing the risk of rot. Careful handling. During harvesting and handling, potatoes must be handled gently to ensure no mechanical damage is caused. Thanks to modern harvesting techniques and the diligence of farmers, potatoes can be harvested efficiently and ensure high quality, meeting the consumption needs of the market.